Okay, good morning and welcome back. 8th maths class, chapter number 8, exercise number 8.2. Construction part we have done. Now, calculation part. For calculation, you must know all the properties of all type of the quadrilateral. For example, rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? All sides are equal. Opposite angle are equal. Diagonals are bisector and perpendicular. You can say perpendicular bisector. Correct. This is a rhombus. Therefore, diagonals are bisector of each other. So, AO is equal to OC is equal to AC by 2. It is 16 by 2. It is 8 AOC. Same DO OB BD half 12 by 2. DO OB 6 cm. So in a rhombus, side are bisector of diagonals are bisector of each other, and it is perpendicular also. AC perpendicular to BD. Diagonals of rhombus. Right in short. Okay. Now I will take this right angle triangle. In right angle triangle AOB, AO square, BO square, AB square, 8 square, 6 square, AB square. 8 is the 64, 6 is the 36. AB square. It is 100 AB square. AB square, so square root. We want all the side of rhombus 10, 10, 10. What is the parameter? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40 centimeter. Then in this is a square. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, that is 8 centimeter. Because square, sides of square. Measure angle A, it is 90 because it is a square. Therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, AB square, BC square, AC square, 8 square, 8 square, AC square, 8 square, 8 square, 64, 64, AC square, 126, 128 AC square. So AC, it is under root 128. It is under root 2 times 64. So this, it is a perfect square. So this is 8 root 2. Now this. Quadrilateral ABCD is rhombus. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C is equal to 50. Opposite angle of rhombus are congruent. Opposite of rhombus are always congruent. And nearby is 180. Measure angle A plus measure angle B it is 180. This is 50 plus measure angle B, it is 180. Measure angle B, it is 180 minus 50. Now B opposite D, it is 130. So all we got, this is 50, this is 50, this is 130, this is 130. Okay. Eight point three, first sum. Parallelogram, it is given. Opposite angle is 2x, 3x minus 2, 50 minus x. This is given parallelogram. Again in parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. Totally A, B, C, D is parallelogram. This is a parallelogram symbol. That is why measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. 3x minus 2, 50 minus this. This goes this side. 3x plus x, 52 plus 2. So 4x, 50 plus 2, 52. 13 fours are. So find any one. Measure angle A is equal to measure angle C is equal to 50 minus x, 50 minus 13, 37 degree, which so this is 37 and nearby it is 180. So A plus B is equal to what? Opposite are equal, congruent. Nearby 180. So measure angle A plus measure angle B, it is 180. So 37 plus how much? 180. So B is equal to D. So we got all. 1 put D. Board is clear, voice is clear. Anyone reply? Reply beta. On page number 50, second and third question are there. 4th, 5th, 6th cancel. So we will do first, third, and then calculation at the end. So construction first. Construct a parallelogram. So roughly draw the parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite are congruent. So I'll write AB, CD. AB is given 3 cm. So this is also 3. This is given 7. So this is also 7. Not given, but you have to consider from the property. And the B angle is 40. So I have to change the number. A, B, C, D. B is given 40 degree. How to start? So first 7 Okay, then 40 degree. So this 90 less than this. If this is 40 degree, this is a parallelogram. So extend this. Here also 40 degree. So automatically both will be the parallel. This is 40. So this is 140 automatic. So base I have taken BC 7 centimeter. Now I will take 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter arc. Three centimeter, correct? From here, I'll cut this. From here, I'll cut this. Now that both we have to join. Intersection point. Correct? A, B, C, D. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 3, 3. 40, 40, opposite equal, 140, 1. Take the screenshot. And last question, that is number 2. We will start with question answer. Taken screenshot. Student reply. Taken. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What by? Huh? Lecture is not over. Why by? Page number 50. Question number 2. Question number 2. X, Y, Z, W. intersecting in O. So these are equal, these two are equal, this is also equal, this is also equal. Because it is a parallelogram. With reasoning, each and every answer we will write. WZ is 4.5. WZ 4.5 centimeter. If WZ 4.5 centimeter, calculate X, Y, Z, W is a parallelogram. Therefore, XY also it is 4.5. Y, opposite sides of parallelogram are always congruent. Always congruent. Second, YZ is 8. If YZ is 8.3, YZ 8.3. Say beta. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram, say. Tanmay, say. Omkar, say. What you want to say? Say, speak fast. If this is 8.3, this is also 8.3. Opposite sides of parallelogram are always congruent. First answer, second answer, third answer. OX 2.5. OX, it is 2.5. This is also 2.5. Therefore, OZ is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Diagonals of parallelogram are bisector of each other. Fourth question, if OW 3.3, this is 3.3, so total is 6.6. Diagonals of parallelogram are bisector of each other. Fifth question, if angle WZY, it is 120. Therefore, measure angle WXY also it is 120, because opposite angle of parallelogram are opposite angle are always congruent. Write this in your notebook or take a screenshot. Vignesh, you are coming, going. What happened? Take it fast. So dear student, we have completed construction here. In next week we will do proportion, direct proportion, inverse proportion, and whatever the exercise or the point remain, that also I will give. Correct? So now tell me, anyone have any problem? Four type of calculation will be we have done. Four type of construction we have drawn. For every type of the construction, you need at least 5 information, because in the quadrilateral there are 10 information: 4 side, 4 angle, 2 diagonal. So total number of information 10, and out of 10 minimum 5 information required to complete the diagram. Again I want to repeat the point that pencil mark should be opposite to the body this way, or this way, not double. Rough diagram is very important. In rough, write the alphabet, write the measurement, then plan. In fair also, rough and fair, full on with the pencil. Don't use color, don't use pen. For the calculation you need pen. Arc should be opposite side of the body, single time. Whatever you are writing should not touch to the diagram, measurement, alphabet, correct, arc or segment or anything. Then don't draw line on line. What I want to say. In your full scale paper answer book or not book, there are already line. 99% student will start their problem, that construction, with base line to line. Can you see the end point? No. So you have to take the base in between two lines. So see, sharp first point, second point. Very clearly it is mentioned here, and end to end. When we have to draw left side angle, so put your protractor here, and if 0 is this side and raise this side, so from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 you have to read. From here, suppose 0 is outside, so 10, 20, 40, 30 you have to read. So if it is left side, so on right side, where side it is, in or out it is 0, measure that. If your protractor is on right side, left side you have to observe which side is 0, so that from that you have to start 10, 20, 30. Otherwise from here you have to measure 60 degrees. So here also 60, here also 60. So people will do it like this. But this is actually 120. So this is for this end. So you should know that 60 is acute, not obtuse. From that also you can recognize from 0 method, that is also very good. Now let me check the number, because no, in 9th standard, 10th standard there are lots of problems without a roll number.